श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेशरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदाकृति वेदान्तलक्ष्मणमुनीन्द्रकृपार्थबोधं तत्पादयुग्मसरसीरघभृङ्गराजं त्रय्यन्तयुग्मकृतभूरिपरिश्रमं तं श्रीरङ्गलक्ष्मणमुनिं चरणं प्रपद्ये। श्रीमते रङ्गरामानुजमहादेशिकाय नमः। श्रीमते निगमान्तमहादेशिकाय नमः। श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः। श्रीमते गोदायै नमः. Godadevi, incarnation of Bhuma Devi, has sung Tirupavai 30 Pasurams. In the Margazhi month, we are reciting all the 30 Pasurams and enjoying the meaning of each Pasurams a day. Today is 24th Pasuram of Tirupavai. This Pasuram is called as Mangalasasanam Pasuram. In the previous Pasuram, Andal and Gopikas requested Krishna to walk as lion and to decorate the divine throne. Nadai Alagu, that is beauty of walk of Lord Ranganatha, is very famous. Commentators tells that Tirupati Perumalukku Laddu Alagu, Sriranganathanukku Nadai Alagu, Kanchi Varadanin Kudai Alagu, Melkottai Perumalukku Mudi Alagu. That is, in Tirupati Laddu is famous. In Srirangam, Ranganatha Perumal's walking beauty is famous. In Kanchi, Varadaraja Perumal's umbrella is famous. Like that, in Melkottai, Chellappillai Swami's crown is famous. Lord Ranganatha's walking beauty is described as Simhagati, Vyagragati, Gajagati, Vrishabhagati, Sarpagati and Rajanadai. Here also, as per the request of Andal, when Krishna started walking, Andal thought that Krishna has to take pain to walk along to come to the divine throne to bless the Gopikas. Hence, she started doing Mangalasasanam, that is praising of the divine feet. In Vamana Avataram, this feet only relieved the world from the clutches of Mahabali, and today, Krishna, you have relieved us from our ego and pride. We praise the divine feet which was placed on everyone's head in Trivikrama Avataram. We praise your braveness in defeating Ravana by going to his place itself. We praise your feet which kicked the demons that came in the form of a cart. At least in Rama Avataram, Rama knows about his enemy. But hey Krishna, so many demons came in disguise, that too to kill an infant. You have lifted the Govardhana hill to protect the cows. So we do Mangalasasanam to your feet, to your quality, to your braveness, to your valor, to your greatness, to your astrams, that is weapons. Krishna, we all have come to praise you. Please consider our request and be compassionate towards us. 24th Pasuram, Andru Ivvulagamalaندாய், Ragam Sindhu Bhairavi. அன்று இவ்வுலகம் அளந்தாய் அடி போற்றி, அன்று இவ்வுலகம் அளந்தாய் அடி போற்றி, சென்றங்கு தென்னிலங்கை செற்றாய் திரள் போற்றி, சென்றங்கு தென்னிலங்கை செற்றாய் திரள் போற்றி, பொன்றச்சகடம் உதைத்தாய் புகழ் போற்றி, பொன்றச்சகடம் உதைத்தாய் புகழ் போற்றி, கன்று குனிலாய் எரிந்தாய் கழல் போற்றி, கன்று குனிலாய் எரிந்தாய் கழல் போற்றி, குன்று குடையாய் எடுத்தாய் குணம் போற்றி, குன்று குடையாய் எடுத்தாய் குணம் போற்றி, வென்று பகை கெடுக்கும் நின் கையில் வேல் போற்றி, வென்று பகை கெடுக்கும் நின் கையில் வேல் போற்றி, என்றென்றும் உன் சேவகமே ஏத்தி பறை கொள்வாய். கொள்வான். இன்று யாம் வந்தோம் இரங்கேலோரும் பாவாய். இன்று யாம் வந்தோம் இரங்கேலோரெம்பாவாய். அன்று இவ்வுலகம் அளந்தயடி போற்றி. The Divyadesam referred for this pasuram அன்று இவ்வுலகம் அளந்தாய் is Govardhanam. In this pasuram, Andal sang glory to the feet of the Bhagavan which measured the universe, and sang glory to the valor that Rama went and destroyed Lanka, and glory to his fame which kicked and killed the cart, the Shakatasura, and glory to the feet, the Kajalgal, which threw the calf as a catapult, and his attribute which saved the entire cowherd clan by lifting the mountain as umbrella for 1 week. The key word in this pasuram is Kundru Kudayai Eduthai Gunam Potri, because Bhagavan took Trivikrama Avataram to save Indra only, to retain the power of Indra from Mahabali Chakravarti. And in Ramavataram also, when Indra and other devas pleaded Sriman Narayana to save them from the tortures of the Asuras like Ravana, Kumbhakarna, Indrajit, Narayana took the avataram of Rama and killed and helped Indra only. In the Krishna avataram also, Krishna killed so many Rakshasas, Sakatasura, Dhenukasura, Kapitasura, etc. All these are enemies of Indra only. But without realizing the greatness of the Bhagavan, in Krishna avataram, Indra did abacharam with Krishna only, and he made one long week shower of stone rain in Gokulam and made Krishna to lift the Govardhanagiri for a long week. Andal is doing Mangalasasanam to this attribute. If Krishna wanted to attack Indra back, he must have thrown the Govardhanagiri itself on the Indra. But with patience he saved the cowherd clan, that is Asrita Rakshanam. His mercy. After doing all apacharams, when Indra came with Kamadhenu and did Govinda Pattabhishekam also, Krishna accepted that one without punishing Indra. For this attribute only, Andal is doing Mangalasasanam. So this Divyadesam, Govardhana, which is inclusive of Madura, that is very appropriate for this pasuram. Moolavar is Govardhanesan, Balakrishnan. Periyalvar sang 16 pasurams for this Divyadesam. கொடியேறு செந்தாமரை கைவிரல்கள் கோலமும் அழிந்தில வாடிற்றில வடிவேறு திருவுகிர் நொந்துமில மணிவண்ணன் மலையும் ஓர் சம்பிரதம். That narrates the lifting of Govardhanagiri by Krishna. In Narayana Deva Prabandham, 50 pasurams are dedicated for this Divyadesam. Periyalvar, Andal, Tondaradipodiyalvar, Tirumangayalvar and Ammalvar have experienced this Divyadesam with their pasurams. Shri Rukmini Satyabhama Sameta Shri Govardhaneshaya Namaha. In tomorrow's pasuram, Andal is going to say why they have come to see Krishna and what they require from Krishna. Urutti Mahanai Pirandu pasuram we will experience tomorrow. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimate Godayai Namaha.